Next we'll have a look at managing a couple of staff who are using shared calendars. Calendars can be shared to mobile devices, laptops, other Outlook clients, or even accessed via the web. Here we have James and Susan. First of all, we're going to set up their calendars. Just choose them from the drop-down list, and we'll say Susan has overtime and it kicks in after 8 hours, and we'll use the default earning rate. And James here, let's set his calendar up, and his overtime will kick in after 6 hours, but he's going to use this special overtime. And let's have a look at what Susan sees. So here's her iPad. It's Thursday and she decides that she wants to work from home again. And we'll just go ahead and drag that down a little bit. And we'll pull up James here as well. He's been doing some project work, and he's going to do the same again today. We'll just move that to the side. So in a couple of moments, our Outlook client here will update with these new appointments. Now that our calendars have updated, we can go ahead and publish these timesheets directly into Xero. So click Update Xero, choose the pay run that you want. You can go ahead and choose more than one pay run if you want to do a whole bunch at once, and just press OK. And we'll jump into Xero here. We'll have a look at Susan. Susan had overtime after 8 hours, so as you can see here on Monday she hit her 8 hours, and then after that everything went to overtime hours. And James here, he had an overtime limit of 6 hours, and then everything past that went to special overtime. Now we'll have a look at some of the time that James booked. James was working on some project work, and earlier this week he's been working on Invoice ORC 1030. So we'll go ahead and make this time go against that invoice. So we'll choose the invoice, we'll choose the billing item, and we'll say he was billed out at $90 hourly, and press OK. And we'll make those the defaults from now on. Then we just save it. Then we can click Integration Tools, and under Time and Billing, click Update Xero. This will push all of these appointments through as invoice lines. And we can go and see this invoice by opening up the appointment and clicking Open in Xero. There we can see our new invoice line item.